Okay, so search exclude. Configure glob patterns for excluding files and folders in searches. Inherits all glob patterns from the files exclude setting. Read more about glob patterns here. So you insert here the glob patterns that you want to exclude from the search. For example, I have not only the node modules, actually I don't have node modules here, but we could add this repo right here. So this repo has node modules, right? And I do want to exclude node modules from the search because otherwise I would be searching for a lot of stuff that I'm not interested in. Not only that, I also have another extension. It's called the local history extension, this one right here. So this extension saves files into the local history, and it creates a .history folder in the repository, and it gives me the history of all the changes that I've made so that I don't lose work. And it has happened in the past. It wasn't too bad, but it could have been. Anyway, because of that, I add the node modules. These two are the default ones, but I also added the /.history folder, which is the one from that extension, so that I don't search in those in that folder. And this is pretty much it. And also remember that this search exclude setting inherits all glob patterns from the files exclude. So let's take a look at files exclude. And yeah, notice that files exclude doesn't have either node modules or the .history folders. So you have to manually insert them down there. All right, that's pretty much it. Oh, and just a little comment. Why don't I add the node modules and the .history folders to the files exclude? Because a lot of times I actually want to go, maybe not the .history. Guess I have to think about that, but at least the node modules. A lot of times I really want to open this folder and dig into the packages that I'm using. Just a quick example, I was actually this repository automatically uploads videos to my YouTube channel. So it's a little script that detects and automatically uploads videos. And the way I did that was the way I managed to get the API to work, or to talk with the API, was going into the Google, somewhere around here, Google APIs package, coming into the APIs, and then choosing YouTube, which is down here, and here's the version 3 of the YouTube API, and everything is in here, right? So you have this YouTube function, and you have all the endpoints and all the way that you use these functions, and all the information you need really is here. So this just goes to show you that sometimes it's very useful to dig into the node modules folder and see how your packages are working, so that you can correctly interface with the code. Not that the YouTube doesn't have an API page, they do, but sometimes I find it easier just to read the code. So I'm not going to add those two folders to the files exclude. I'm going to add them here.